Hello, my fellow fam.
No, stop.
Today, I'm here with Rose and Mariel, and we're in the wildness. And we're gonna destroy it. Right?
Yes.
Are we gonna find the most naturist things?
Oh, yes.
And Mariel, talk to me. Slap. Talk. You're not gonna be kissing flowers, right?
No, your best baby.
Hello. You're gonna talk? You're gonna be alive?
I don't know.
Oh, she said no. Okay, she said no. Let's start with the wildness.
No, she said.
So we saw a butterfly just now.
No,
Oh, there it is! There it is, the butterfly! The butterfly, we must eat it alive.
No, eagle fire.
Is she gonna text in the chat?
No, that's the baby.
This Maria is not gonna text. She's right here and she doesn't even... Rose?
What?
I am. Okay, good. She does not want to talk even though she's right here. Oh my God, look at this. I found a statue. Just to tell you guys, Mariel is Emma_Lemma, so you can know when she chats. Oh my. Look at this. I have lag. I can't. Look at this. Look. What? The tablet died. Rose's tablet died. Go and give her charge.
Wait, where's the mic?
Ven aquí, Rose. Ay, te lo pone acá.
Okay.
Rose's tablet died. But this beautiful beauty right here, I need to get on it. I'm sad. Well, Mariel, are we gonna begin our journey to die? Because we need to find wild animals that can gobble us up in 1 second.
Yeah.
Follow me. How about we go in the wildness, not like in the past? What do you mean 1 second? Hey, I told you not to kiss the... Wow. Well, vamos, huye. Look, I found a lake. Come on. There it is. There's more flowers for some reason. Can we go to it? Why? Wait, let me...
I died of lag. I had to leave because I had too much lag.
I can't even get up.
Yeah, because it's too beautiful.
Why is it too beautiful? It needs to be...
I know, Mommy. It's like too beautiful.
Ew!
What happened? Wait.
Ay, someone banned him. You know what?
Oh my God! Don't show that to the people because
I'm gonna report them. Okay, after Maria dying by a wild animal as well me, we somehow respawned. Well, let's go over here. I found a perfect place that we definitely won't die at. Come on. You follow me? You following me? Yes or no? Where are you? Where are... Oh, there you are. Okay. She said yes. Look. This is definitely not gonna get us in big trouble. Oh my God, I just found... Look over here. Where are you? Where are you?
Bro, look in the chat what she said.
I saw what you said in the chat. Come on.
What she?
You.
Not me.
Yeah, that's you.
Okay.
Okay. Let's just...
Good. Oh my God, I'm kind of blind too.
I'm blind. Looky.
Shit, that's where we are.
Don't say shit.
Shut up. Let's just swim and go to the other side. Yeah?
I feel better. So much better.
Let's eat this fish. Let's eat this fish right here. It has very,
Nutrients.
it has like spots, so that means it's a cheetah fish.
Oh, they must have bug fixes in this game because they can't eat the fish.
There we go. You should be able to snatch it. Like, nyang.
Oh, excuse me. I would snatch it into pieces, but I don't have a knife.
There.
Gosh.
I keep on. Marielle.
Oh no, I think she saw it.
Yo!
No.
Yo, that way I come in. Okay, I think I found a special passageway. Come over here where we were. Just now, where you kissed the flower. Come over here, right now. Now! If you don't come... What do you mean? Bang! Or I will eat you alive. 'Cause you don't come here. You know, someone thinks that you're literally panicking in the chat. I think that someone is like about to kill you. They say die to whoever is dying. She said, leave her alone. Oh my God. What the heck am I even doing? Then someone is saying, oh, leave her. Then someone was about to curse in the chat. I hate those boys. Do I look like a boy to you?
What?
They think I'm a boy. They would die. Same, someone said, what the heck? Boy, do I look like a girl to you? They're definitely not men. When did I even say I was a man?
But they know.
They do not know. Into the unknown! Into the unknown! Look at the unknown right here. Look at this. Into the unknown!
Oh God!
I just found the unknown. I was wandering off and I told you, let's go to the secret passageway. You said no. Huh? This is way too big. Hey, go to the trail. You know where I said that there was diarrhea last time when we were in a recording? Go that way. Where am I? You know what? I'm gonna die. You wanna see me? Wanna see me die from a wild predator?
Yes.
Hello, darkness, my old friend. Oh, hi! You were here the whole time? Now, this is where I said we were going, but you didn't listen to me. We're going in the water first, and we're gonna go run all the way to the other side. Is Marielle whining in the chat with everybody whining about her because everybody thinks that she's in trouble, and everybody thinks that I'm a boy somehow. Life just sucks sometimes, even though I have a girl character. Come on, get it! Oh, I'm right over here.
Where's the trail?
No, you're not supposed to go in through this trail. Go to the water. Yeah, I'm right here. Don't you see me? Keep on swimming. Just keep swimming. Just keep swimming. Just keep swimming. I'm just gonna go and sit over here. Okay, perfect. Let me see. Okay, it's 10% right now. Let's go. I'm blind. Why did you say that? Oh, look at this place. Look at this place right here. Nice. Let's go into the woods. BRB. You text in the chat. Hi. Okay. I'm just gonna say Maria. I'm someone that she doesn't know. Hey guys. What? Huh? So, no, I don't like Dora, but I like Evil Dora. I'm just waiting to see where the heck is this Mariel. Ven, espera hasta que llegue. Dora is the best. So Maria said. What type of girl types 300 million emojis? Well, there you have it, Maria. You okay, Rose? Yeah. Turns out, Rose. Wait, let me just pause the video real quick. Okay, you keep on typing emojis, but I told you that that's enough. I'm right here. Where are you? My impossible and disappointed is immeasurable, and my day is ruined. No.
Oh my god, look at the water.
Maria,
Where are you, Maria? That's my point.
Vianney has 2,000 billion Robux.
Dike. Where are you, Mariel?
I'm right here. I'm right here.
Where?
I'm right there.
I don't know where it's right here and right there.
Okay, fine. You're gonna see me.
There.
I'm right here. Maybe.
I don't know where I am, where you are. Okay, rip to Maria. She doesn't know where she is. She died, and it's 3 years ago. Are you guys okay? She died 3 years ago.
Wait, she never
I'm doing
died.
This video alone.
She died.
Get! Let me see where you are. Oh! I think I'm close. I think I'm close to you. Do you see me in the log? Do you see me on the log?
Nope. No,
Yes, you do. Yes, you do. Where is the thing that was right close to you?
Guys, wanna play Brosters? Oh no, we hate Brosters. We erased it.
Oh, thank God.
Did you?
Yeah.
Yeah, I hate Brosters now.
Wait, what? For real?
We both.
Yeah,
go
because
on
we don't even play it. So
Look, I found a waterfall. If you were here, I would have killed you right now. Drowning you on the waterfall. Look how beautiful view is this. Just makes me want it.
Bro, we're literally lagging.
I'm not lagging.
To death.
Oh my God, Rose joined again. So we're gonna die, Reset the character. Reset the character. Rose is right here.
Hi. I'm right here.
Hi, Rose. We're just gonna wait for Mariel. Okay, Lem Flem is Rose, and Emma Lemma is Mariel. Ow! That is... Ow! We are back. We are back, and we're in here to attack. Come on. Where are you at, Malema? Well, me and Rose are gonna start the adventure. Come on, Rose. We're right here. Come down, come down, come down. Over here. Over here, Rose. Over here, Rose. We are going to what are we gonna do?
Find animals and die.
Look, I just found a demon. We must eat it alive for food. We must eat it for food. Come over here. We must eat it for food.
No!
Yes.
No, guys!
Yes.
No.
Yes. 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 Yes.
Okay,
Yes. Huh?
Yes, my daddy has to be a face.
Well, this is gonna have to be the end of the video because this girl is getting my paciencia. So bye, guys. Remember to kill yourself today.
Bye, guys. Bye, guys. That power.
It doesn't even stop recording. Bye.
Bye.
This thing should be off already. It doesn't turn off.
Bye, guys.
Bye. Have a great time. You know what? I'm gonna have to go to record. Bye. Have a great time. I hope you enjoy.